This small yet versatile knot is the Pratt Knot, best for those who love a good dimple. Let's tie it all together with number 10 in the top 50 knots. So FYI, the wide end of the tie is called the blade and the skinny end is the tail. Slow the playback speed if the next steps go too quick. Throw this beautiful black tie over your neck with the blade on the right. See the link below for the tie. Flip the tie so the inseam is facing out. Get the length right by letting the blade hang about an inch longer than your right hand. Take the blade under the tail to form the neck loop. You'll need the neck loop in a minute. Create the knot by taking the blade down through the neck loop and to the left. Easy peasy so far. Then take the blade in front of the knot to create the front loop. We're almost done, but fair warning, the next step is the trickiest. Finish the knot by taking the blade up through the neck loop and then down through the front loop. The knot is tied, but we need to tighten. Now here's the secret sauce. Tighten the front loop all the way with your thumb and then pull down quickly to create the dimple. If your dimple doesn't look as good as mine, just loosen and try again. Cinch the knot by holding the tail and pushing the knot up to your dashing neck. Lastly, secure the tail in the keeper loop. Voila! You look sharp in your perfectly tied Pratt Knot. If you didn't get it tied, rewind and reduce the playback speed. If your tie's too short to cover the button of your trousers, then get the length right at the start by making it longer, or shorter if it's too long. Fun fact, this is the same as the Shelby Knot. Jerry Pratt invented the knot and taught it to Don Shelby, the news anchor who made it famous. I love this knot because it's so versatile, so easy to tie, and easy to get a dimple. Let's map the world with this knot. Drop your locale in the comments below. Bonus if you're somewhere interesting like the top of a mountain. The double Windsor is another knot that's great for a dimple. You can watch that here. Also make a dull suit more interesting by folding a pocket square with this video here. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button or add this video to a playlist so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. And as always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.